Hey, what's good, you hypebeasts? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn your post notifications because I do post videos like this every single Monday through Friday. Anyways, today I decided to show you guys everything I copped this season, at least as far as accessories go, because I did cop some clothing. However, it's kind of just everywhere and I don't know exactly what I bought this season compared to what I bought last season. Here's everything I bought in spring summer of 2018 from Supreme. So I'm gonna try to go in order as in what week it dropped. I think this is the first one that I copped, and it is the stacking cups. I'm pretty sure this came out the first or second week, and these I actually like a lot. I feel like I could use them, but I feel like if I do use them, I'm just gonna feel bad. They're more of a decoration thing that you can put in your room, and they actually have a lot of space in here. I don't know what I would drink in here because like it's not enough to put like soda in there, and on top of that, it's like a mug. I don't drink coffee or tea, so for me, these are pretty pointless, and I do plan on selling them after I finish this video pretty much. Hopefully there's a buyer on StockX. If not, I'll just put them up on my website, which if you guys haven't checked out already, go right now. It is oursneakers.bigcartel.com. More than likely this stuff will be on there, and I will take out the wax stuff that's on the website right now and replace it with all the Supreme stuff. The next thing I bought were these two chargers right here. I bought this one first because I knew this is what I wanted to keep. This one's a 20K pack, which has more hours of charging. This one is 10K, which is half the amount, so obviously this one's more worth it, especially for $10 more. This one's way more worth it than this one, and on top of that, you do have two USB ports, while this one only has an Android and an iPhone charger, which is limited, and I don't even have an Android, so one of them is pretty much useless to me. And the following week, I think I copped this. I'm pretty sure this is what came next. This is a Zippo lighter. As you guys can see right there, this is Zippo, which is a very known brand for lighters like this. These are actually reusable because once you use them up, you can fill them up. Down here there is like a cotton pad, and you fill it up with some liquid, so you can use it every time. So this is actually an item that's worth it because you can reuse it. It's not like you use it just one time, and you do look kind of hype around your friends when you use it because it does look kind of fire since it does say supper. Never been used. I am planning on selling this though because I don't use a lighter for any reason. I don't smoke. I only smoke jewels, you know what I'm saying? And as a matter of fact, had to wrap the jewel as well, but unfortunately this is not used for this. And whoa, it feels so lightheaded, bro. So therefore this is being sold. I'm keeping this though. This is a must. What came next was this illusion box, which completely fooled me. Like I said in my last video, I thought this was gonna be way bigger. I thought it was gonna be like at least this big, this size. However, it is pretty damn small, and it was $40. It was a waste of my money, so I'm definitely gonna be getting rid of this. I'm gonna most likely put it on my website as well, so go ahead and check that out, guys. I'm telling you guys want to check out everything. I'm selling everything that I'm showing in this video, so go ahead and check out my website right now. The next accessory is this water bottle, which honestly I thought this was really dope. This actually sold out in a matter of seconds. This was a hot item the week that it dropped. Everybody was going for this because everything else was whack as far as clothing goes. This is actually one of my favorite accessories that I own right now, that is Supreme. The reason is because you can go to the gym with this and you got Supreme. That's dope. Nobody else in the gym will have this, or wherever you go. Like I say you're going for a walk or a run, you can like put a little clip on this, put it on your belt or whatever, I don't know, just hold on to it as you run and you're flexing. Hello. The next thing I bought is the most pointless thing I bought this entire thing ever in my life, actually, not even just a season, just in my life, and it was this glow stick. I'm an idiot. If you bought this, you're an idiot as well. Like I said in my last video, we're all idiots for buying this. I saw somebody trying to sell this for $80 at a store. I'm like, yo, you're tripping. Nobody's gonna pay $80 for this light, not even $20. I don't even know, these things are going for dumb cheap. Good luck trying to sell this, guys, but buy it on my website though. Another item that's not pointless, but it was a huge waste of my money, was this right here. This freaking speaker, $350, hit the bank hard for no reason because I don't even use this. It is not worth it for me. I already have a way better speaker that I got for free, literally for free, but retail price is $150. Check out the video, link right here. Don't buy this, guys. One item I've been debating on opening is this pocket samurai knife, sword, really just a knife. It is a keychain, so you are able to put your keys onto it, and I would be able to carry it. However, if you do that, you are gonna scratch it up, so I would not use it for that purpose. I would use it more for unboxings. However, like I told you guys in one of my videos, I will link right here as well in the eye, I am not buying any more sneakers. I know I bought this sneaker right here, I bought this one right there, but these two I'm not keeping, and I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna be carrying this everywhere, so unfortunately I'm gonna have to get rid of this because it is a $50 knife, and it says Supreme. Most likely gonna wear off the more I use it, so it's kind of pointless to me. Maybe you guys want to buy it because I mean it's dope. You have a pocket samurai sword. Whenever you need a knife, you guys got it. And last but not least, if you guys are over the age of 18 only and you guys smoke jewels, I know there's a bunch of you high schoolers that even smoke this too. That's pretty much the headlines of the news right now. You guys should wrap your jewel with a Supreme sticker, which I think I'm gonna throw up on the website as well. I am selling those. I would say to go ahead and wrap your jewel with a real sticker. Don't be buying no foo-foo ass sticker to put on your jewels. You just look like a fool flexing that fake sticker, so go ahead and buy a real one. If you guys want to know how to wrap your jewel with a sticker, let me know down in the comments below. I will make a video, and it's so simple, honestly. But if you guys really need me to make a video on it, which I'm pretty sure a lot of my viewers aren't even old enough to smoke, so I don't know I'm even saying this. But if you guys do want to see that, let me know down in the comments below. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much everything I bought this season. I did strike out on a lot of stuff because I was testing out a bot with this company, which they are going to be launching again in August. They want me to test out another one of their products. They were in the process of getting the products working, which is why I never told you guys exactly what company it is. However, I'm hoping that they actually get their products to work really good because I'm looking to work with a company like this, especially them. Like, they seem serious. They have an iOS platform, they have a Chrome platform, and they're also working on a desktop platform for next season, which is going to be super fire. Like, desktop is the best platform you can have because for some reason it just works the best. And I want to get this product out to you guys as well because I know you guys really want to cop Supreme as bad as I do. You guys want to get your money up, or you guys want to have that little hype to flex? We're gonna make it work. I'm just waiting on this company to really work it out. Did enjoy this video? Make sure to smash that thumbs up button, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We are on the road to 32,000 subscribers by the end of this month, and make sure you turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos just like this one. Today's fan of the day does go to Winthrop Cottingham, and he said, "Great vid. I first came across your channel researching bots, then I noticed you stopped using them. Is there a reason why? I get the feeling using bots isn't as easy or successful as people make them out to be. It seems easy because people are always getting all these pairs, but they have like expensive bots such as like $2,000 bots, and they're able to cop a lot, and they know how they work. You need to know how servers work, you need to know how proxies work, you need to know how the bot works, you need to know how to trick the system as well. It's like a lot that goes into these bots, and that's really the reason I stopped using them, because I understood it, but I was just too lazy to get other card information. I was too lazy to find other addresses to ship to. I was just too lazy to find the information to trick out different websites, because every website has a different way of selling their products, which makes it harder to use a bot. However, there are some people that just invest all their time into this, and reselling is all they do, and it makes them money. And just like anything, if you put the work into it, you are able to do it, which I said in my 3 types of reseller videos, and this is what I mean by that. So you are correct, it's not what everybody makes it out to be. Anyways, guys, until next time, make sure you guys keep grinding. It's your boy, signing out.